Hi mga mare! Ako pala si Mami May, ang laging galit na nanay. Welcome to my mini vlog! Dahil nasasayangan ako sa video na to mga mare, i-upload ko na nga lang po. At ito po yung karugtong nung araw na napa-general cleaning nga tayo ng aming bahay dahil meron nga nakapasok na bulinggit. Hindi na nga po ako magtutok para hindi naman kayo maumay. Ganun? O siya mga mare, ang dami ko na naman sinasabi, bantayan nyo ako sa aking paglilinis. Pero kung ayaw nyo naman akong panoorin, swipe mo yung pataas. Ganun?
Charles always fought her, but instead of seeking comfort, he questioned his fond revenge. She did not want to become a peaceful protector. She wanted power to kill Namor, and that desire was extremely similar to what Eric once felt. So when she entered the ancestral plane, she first saw an underwater vision representing the trauma of a mother's death. Then she encountered Eric. He told Shuri, "See,
I'm not. I'm really different in one side of the room. What do you think? Let go. Let go. Seth, let go. Yeah.
I guess it's time to explore."
You need to stop this, bro. You're making me so hungry.
Isinama ko na nga rin pala dito yung mga unboxing ko sa mga pre-sample na sobrang saya-saya ng puso ko dahil dating decline lang ako sa pre-sample, ngayon pinapadala na.
So if he is, that means he goes to the obvious benefits. Rather than pushing him further than pushing him. But if it is the second one, yeah, pretty lucky wizard magic talking about these players are unbettable. I am that guy. Call me Green Arrow Run is some absolute garbage. Got the game all done. Let's lock in. Alright guys, for the next game on Zero, I thought this game cost so much money, so my customer issues such a terrible weapon. The good thing about playing this challenge though in Ring is that we don't have to worry about any of our weapons getting banned. Because nobody bans their weapons. Our weapons are too trash to be banned. Hardly anyone even uses mine. It's just like the same pool of people. I mean, you're not even use that so little people are playing them. Yeah, you are so funny. What? No, bro. Okay, so I swear on my life, we're gonna get something called the benefit of the doubt. But you're not gonna get me. Okay, I have a trick. We're gonna go here with Bunny Pop Method to not waste our crafters so early. To Instagram the buff, hit it for 22. Waste into it. Then we slam him with the hammer. What? He slid into the floor! Never in my 2 years of doing this, I've never now decided to make the move out even worse. This is 2 spins this time. Okay. The next thing that we get is... Okay, got the minigun. Okay, guys, what the next thing on our second minigun and the daggers. Now these are probably two of the worst weapons in their own category. Like the minigun is just unuseful.